Hi everyone, I'm Elaine. Are you ready to start your journey in digital marketing? Welcome to Alpha Digital Marketing Training, powered by Alpha Bloggers. We offer two flexible programs. The 4-week Digital Marketing Essentials in just $99, perfect for beginners who want a quick start. In 4 weeks, you'll learn branding, content creation, social media marketing, and video marketing. Plus, you'll complete one real project and get a certificate of completion. Next, the 3-month advance program for $999. A complete career focus course with hands-on projects for startups around the world. You'll master graphic design, SEO, paid ads, analytics, and run your own mini digital campaign. You'll also earn a certificate and a 3 to 12 month global internship. So, which one fit your goals? The 4-week essentials to build your foundation or the 3-month advance to launch your digital marketing career? Join from anywhere in the world and start learning with Alpha Digital Marketing Training. Enroll now. Your digital career starts here.